Aes she, the Irish word for fairies. The Irish word Aes she, or Nishiogha, refers to the fairies of Irish lore. These beings are not the tiny winged figures of children's storybooks. The Aes she belongs to a much older and deeper imagination. In Irish tradition, they dwell beside our world, usually unseen, yet always present. Human-like in form and temperament, they lead lives that mirror our own, keeping cattle, riding horses, feasting, making music, and falling in love. Their presence and that of the Gaelic otherworld shapes the daily life, imagination, and psyche of our Irish ancestors. Ancient raths and ring forts that still dot the Irish countryside were long believed to be their dwelling places and were treated with reverence and caution. To disturb them was to risk the displeasure of the Sidhe, and even today it is considered unlucky to interfere with their soil. This cultural respect reflects an intuitive understanding of the unseen, whether spiritual or psychological. It has a real influence and deserves care. To live in right relationship with the Sidhe was considered essential. It remains a timely reminder for us to cultivate a conscious relationship with the world around us, as well as the unseen realms, the symbolic, the ancestral, and the mythic layers of the self. These are the layers that shape our inner lives as surely as the visible world shapes our outer ones. Aes she, the Irish word for fairies.